I ran into this last week, here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable biometric login on your Visible 2026 device, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Settings. Navigate to the main menu and tap on the Settings icon. This is where you can adjust various options on your device. Step 2. Select Security. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Security. This section contains all the options related to securing your device. Step 3. Enable Biometric Unlock. Look for the Biometric Unlock option and toggle it on. This will allow you to use your fingerprint or face recognition for logging in. Step 4. Register your biometrics. Follow the prompts to register your fingerprint or face. Make sure to position your finger correctly on the sensor to ensure it captures your print accurately. Quick gotcha: if the sensor doesn't recognize your print, try cleaning the sensor area on your device. Step 5. Test the login. Lock your device and try logging in using your registered biometric method. This will confirm that everything is set up correctly. Now you should be all set with biometric login on your Visible 2026. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to revisit the settings. Happy unlocking!